In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change favicon on Wix. A favicon is that tiny image you see in your browser tab next to your page title. It also shows up in bookmarks and shortcuts. Even though it's small, it's a powerful branding touch that helps visitors spot your site instantly and makes your pages look polished and professional. Inside the Wix editor, start by opening the main menu and selecting Settings. This is where Wix keeps your site level options, from business info to more technical controls. We're heading there because the favicon is a global setting that applies across your entire site, not just a single page. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the menu. It's usually listed clearly and is easy to find. Next, open the favicon section. This area is dedicated to the little browser tab icon. You'll see a preview space and some information about how your icon will appear. Think of this like your site's mini logo. Keeping it simple and recognizable is the key to a great result because the icon will be displayed at very small sizes. Now click Upload Image. This opens Wix's Media Manager where you can choose a file from your computer or select one you've already uploaded. For best results, use a square image. A 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 pixel PNG is a choice, though larger square images also work because Wix will generate the necessary sizes behind the scenes. Aim for a clean, high contrast design, avoid thin details that can blur when scaled down, and consider a transparent background if your design isn't a perfect square. If you're using initials or a monogram, keep the letters bold so they remain readable at tiny sizes. After the image uploads, you'll see a preview of how it will look. This helps you confirm that edges are crisp and the design still reads well when it's small. Wix handles the technical conversion for you, so you don't need to generate an ACO file yourself. Once the image is in place, Wix applies it to your site's favicon setting. A quick note on timing. Browsers often cache favicons, so if you don't see the new icon immediately in your tab, that's normal. Give it a little time to propagate. You can also try opening your site in a fresh tab or a different browser to spot the update sooner. And that's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to favicon, and upload your image. With just a few clicks, your site's branding will shine through in every tab and bookmark.